A logo serves as a visual representation of a business and can be created in various forms. There are 7 main types of logos, each of which gives a different feel to a brand. These types include monogram or letter mark logos, wordmark logos, pictorial mark logos, abstract logo marks, mascot logos, the combination mark, and the emblem. It's important to choose the right type of logo for your business, as it will be the first thing that potential customers see. To assist you in making this decision, I will provide an overview of each type of logo and how to use them effectively. 1. Monogram logos, or letter marks. Monogram logos, also known as letter marks, are a type of logo that uses brand initials as the primary design element. This type of logo is often used by businesses with long names, such as IBM, CNN, HP, and HBO, as it allows for easy recognition and memorability. The letter mark is a simple and streamlined type of logo that focuses on a few letters, typically a company's initials. By using just a few letters, the lettermark logo can be an effective way to represent a company with a long name. For example, NASA is more memorable than the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. When creating a lettermark logo, it is important to choose a font that is appropriate for the company and legible when printed on business cards. Additionally, if the business is not yet established, it may be beneficial to include the full business name below the logo to help people understand who the company is. 2. Wordmarks, or logotypes. A wordmark or logotype is a type of logo that is based on a business's name, usually in the form of a custom font. These types of logos are particularly effective for businesses with unique and memorable names such as Visa and Coca-Cola. For example, Google's logo is a great example of this type of logo, where the name itself is catchy and memorable. When combined with strong typography, a wordmark logo can help create strong brand recognition. When creating a wordmark logo, typography is an important consideration. The font should capture the essence of the business and the name should be easily legible. For example, fashion labels tend to use clean and elegant fonts that convey a high-end feel, while legal or government agencies often use traditional and heavier text that conveys a sense of security. Overall, wordmark logos work best for businesses with a distinct and memorable name that can be represented by a custom font. 3. Pictorial marks, or logo symbols. A pictorial mark, also known as a brand mark or logo symbol, is a graphics-based logo, like the iconic Apple, Twitter, and Target logos. These logos are so well known that the image alone is enough to recognize the brand. However, this type of logo can be challenging for new companies or those without strong brand recognition. When deciding to use a pictorial mark, it's important to choose an image that will represent your company for a long time. Consider how the image relates to your company name, creates deeper meaning, or evokes emotions. For example, John Deere uses a deer to play on their name, Snapchat uses a ghost to represent the concept of disappearing messages, and World Wildlife Foundation uses a panda to evoke emotions about the endangered species. 4. Abstract logo marks. An abstract logo mark is a type of pictorial logo that uses a geometric form, rather than a recognizable image, to represent a business. Some well-known examples include the BP Starburst, Pepsi Divided Circle, and the Adidas Striped Flower. Like all logos, abstract marks condense a brand into a single image. However, unlike a recognizable image, abstract logos allow for more creativity and uniqueness in representing a brand. The benefit of an abstract mark is that it can symbolically convey what a company does, without relying on the cultural associations of a specific image. Through color and form, it can attribute meaning and evoke emotions around the brand. For example, the Nike swoosh implies movement and freedom. 5. Mascot's logo. A mascot logo is a type of logo that features an illustrated character. These characters are usually colorful, playful, and cartoonish, and make for great brand ambassadors. A mascot is an illustrated character that represents a company, like the Kool-Aid Man, KFC's Colonel, or Planters' Mr. Peanut. Mascot logos are ideal for companies that want to create a friendly and wholesome atmosphere, particularly when targeting families or children. They are often seen at sporting events, creating a dynamic and interactive experience with the audience. 6. The combination mark logo. A combination mark is a logo that combines a word mark or letter mark with a pictorial mark, abstract mark, or mascot. The image and text can be arranged side by side, stacked on top of each other, or integrated together. Some examples of combination mark logos include Doritos, Burger King, and Lacoste. Because a name is associated with the image, a combination mark is a versatile choice, with both the text and icon or mascot working together to reinforce the brand. With a combination mark, people will also associate your name with your pictorial mark or mascot right away. In the future, you may be able to rely exclusively on a logo symbol, and not have to always include your name. Also, because the combination of a symbol and text creates a distinct image together, this type of logo is usually easier to trademark than a pictorial mark alone. 7. Emblem logo. An emblem logo is a type of logo that consists of a font inside a symbol or an icon, such as badges, seals, or crests. These logos often have a traditional appearance, which makes them suitable for schools, organizations, or government agencies, as well as the auto industry. Some companies have modernized the traditional emblem look with 21st century designs, such as Starbucks' mermaid emblem, or Harley-Davidson's crest. However, because of the high level of detail, and the name and symbol being closely linked, emblem logos can be less versatile than other types of logos. For example, intricate emblem designs can be difficult to replicate across all branding materials and may be difficult to read in small sizes or when embroidered on clothing. To achieve a strong, bold look that conveys professionalism, it's best to keep the design uncomplicated.